Hi there everybody, it's UK independent Stampin' Up demonstrator Helzie here from slimandstylish.stampingup.net. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today I'm going to be playing with a hand-penned Petals photopolymer stamp set to create a 5-minute card. So to get started, I'm going to be using the Memento ink for this one. And I'm going to be using this flower here, okay? So let's get started. Now it's up to you whether you want to use the 2-step stamp. What I mean by that is there are infill stamps on this stamp set. I'm going to be using them, so you will see what I mean. But you could use your Stampin' blends and colour them in yourself. Okay, so I'm going to be using my Memento and I'm just going to ink that up. And I'm going to drop that on the corner of my piece of card. Just like that. I like when I do detail putting it in the right hand bottom corner. That's my go-to corner. Okay, and while I've got the ink out, I'm actually also going to put on my sentiment, and my sentiment is going to be Feel Better Friend. So let's just grab my ink pad. Again, Feel Better Friend, and I'm just going to drop that in that corner as well. Feel Better Friend. So it all looks like it's actually one stamp, which I quite like. Okay, next up I'm going to get the infills. So let me show you. You've got this and that infills that bit, and you've got this one here which infills that bit. Okay, you also have the bits that infill the leaves, but I'm not really going to bother with those. I'm going to colour those. I'm just going to use the infills of the flowers. Okay. And I'm just trying to work out what colour I actually want the flowers. Out of interest, I'm not 100% sure. Let me have a quick look. Woo, over my Okay, I'm going to go with Mango Melody. I don't use it very often and I love it, so I'm going to use that. Let me just ink that up. So what I mean by the infill is you're going to go over the top and you're just going to literally drop that in the corresponding place on top of your card, like that. And there's the little flower. And this is why it's great for 5 minutes cards, this set, because you actually do make 5-minute cards, because you could leave it done like that. I'm not going to. I'm going to come over with some colour and I'm just going to do the leaves, but I'm going to do the same sort of style. So I'm going to be using Soft Seafoam Dark and Light. I'm just going to rub the light all the way over the leaf to start off with. Like that. Down the stem. And across that leaf. And then I'm going to come in with the dark using the bullet tip, and I'm just going to pop some detail in the middle of the leaf. Not massive, just a bit. And there we go. How quick, simple and easy was that, hey? So card base, fold it, score it. Grab some adhesive, so I'm just going to grab my seal, pop a couple of strips of that on there. Put that on my card. And just because I'm only 3 minutes in, I'm going to decorate this a little bit more. It's not often on these 5-minute cards I finish before my 5-minute allocated time. So I'm going to pop us some butterflies on. Okay, so I'm going to go with the medium-sized butterfly because he was already trying to escape. There's a smaller butterfly there trying to escape, so these are going on, obviously. And there's a slightly bigger one there, which I am just going to put at the bottom. And there we go. My 5-minute card finished in 4 minutes. Really quick, really simple card using the gorgeous hand pen Petals. This is a beautiful set and it's really stunning and easy to use. Thanks for joining me today, everybody. I hope you've enjoyed and I will see you all again soon. Bye. I hope you've enjoyed today's project. All items that I have used on this video are available to purchase from my store, www.slimandstylish.stampinup.net. Alternatively, if you would like a copy of our catalogues, please send me an email to slimandstylish@live.co.uk or leave me a comment below and I'll get in touch with you. I upload regular content to this channel, so if you do enjoy watching my tutorials, please make sure that you have subscribed and rang the bell to get notifications when new videos go live. Thank you for joining me and have a lovely day.